Hello, problem solvers. This is Dr. T, and this is my daughter Ellie, who wanted to be in a video with me. Every Sunday around that time, I'm going to post a video for each class about what to do this week. But this week, I also just want to give you guys a heads up about overall plan for our e-learning days. That's what they call them at her school. So for you guys, pretty much the syllabus for problem solving is matching exactly the due dates. It looks a little off because the day it says stuff in the syllabus, it's due a week later, but that's normal for you guys. The day in the syllabus would have been the day that we went over it. So you've got a playlist on YouTube that has me talking over the PowerPoints. Those are not all the way done, but I'm working on them. They're done for this week. And then the ice sheets, I did all of those for every lesson. So technically, you guys can do all your work now if you want. Even your second exam is a take-home anyway, and then your final is actually a project that I kind of simplified for our e-learning. And so I will make a separate video talking about the instructions for those two assignments for the midterm, the second midterm, and the final. But just want you to know, in general, the syllabus is going to be the same as before. You're going to have two assignments due. Like normal, and then reading response. And now I think for this week, you just have the sets homework due because that was the plan anyway, but you do have the reading response. And there are 3 lessons that we're not doing, area, and then there were 2 lessons on infinity that didn't have a homework with them, so I just cut those. So those are listed in the syllabus, but they are not in your to-do list. So every assignment is already listed on Blackboard. If you enter assignments, every single thing that you have to do for the rest of the semester has the due dates and places to submit. And in particular, for class time, I made every assignment due at 2 p.m. I left 5 p.m. for the reading responses like before. The idea is that, hey, you should do the work a week ahead like you have been. You can watch the videos, you can get the assignment, and then from 12:30 to 1:45 those days, we'll be going over the assignment. So what's due at 2 o'clock on a certain day, you should have it pretty much done, but if you have a few things you need to wrap up, we'll spend that 75 minutes talking about whatever you need to talk about, and then you'll have 15 minutes after that to get it submitted on Blackboard. So if you don't need that time, that's okay. I'll try to be flexible as needed, but we're just going to use class time basically as office hours for the homework because you have all the resources available to you already. All right, so for this week's unique. I think you just have the reading response that was due before break that Wednesday, and then the one that's due this Wednesday, and then you have an assignment just for Thursday. So probably I'll still be on Discord all the time, but particularly 12:30 to 1:45 on. I know. On Tuesday to go over what's going on, and then I can give you help with sets homework if you want, but that's not due till Thursday at 2. All right, so I will see you guys virtually on Discord or through email or on Blackboard.